Before I close this session, I just want 3 questions, just 3 questions, quick questions to the 3 speakers, and then we'll close the session. Ji.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Madam Hina Rabbani Khar, you said that don't wait for the call. Senator Moeed Hussain, judiciary, जो नवाज शरीफ वाली चल रही थी, he was on the TV channel, he said 001 से call आएगी, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Sorry. Your ex-Prime Minister, Hakan Abbasi, made a statement that Pakistan government was run by a very low American employee for 3 years. So, what are you? These are the things on publish and available on all the things that I'm saying. हमें तो report वहीं से आती है. My point is this: do you not think that you people are pushing us? जो call से फायदा हो सकता है वो भी छोड़ दें and become better slaves.
Got your question. One more this side. जी.
Well, I'm very sorry to say what I'm going to say that.
Then don't say it.
No, I would rather say it. I would rather say it because you said it, so I think I'm entitled to say it. Because you don't want to listen to that. It is so pathetic and disturbing that the whole nation is listening to a couple of people. There is somebody coming in the White House. What will happen to us? Are we that God-forsaken people that we can't really take our decisions? वहाँ से phone आएगा तो ये हो जाएगा, वहाँ से phone आएगा. What kind of people we are? And I tell you what kind of people we are. There are hundreds of people sitting here since morning, and I've attended all the previous sessions.
You must be tired.
No, they're not tired. You are tired. They are not tired because they're not allowed to speak. They're not allowed to speak. No, please listen.
No, I'd ask for a...
I have not finished. Please speak.
No, hold on. I'd ask for a question, not a comment.
It's not a question. It's a question of our survival.
For a comment, you can...
No, it's a question of our survival.
Sir, you are... I'd ask for a question.
No, I have seen 75
You raised
years
your hand, I gave you the
sorry,
mic.
I'm not going to keep quiet. I am not going to keep quiet because I'm going to speak the truth.
Why don't you come here?
Wait a minute. Just don't get angry. Don't get angry.
No, I'm not getting angry because you're stepping your bounds.
No, I am not. I'm a
yes,
public.
You are. I had asked for a question.
I am a public. I'm not going out of my bound.
Okay.
You are
Go on.
All 70 years, we have seen as public same faces in the parliament, in the policy making, in the governance. What is this? Are we these hundreds of thousands of people stupid, not capable of doing? We are not allowed to speak. And I think that is the message that we must be talking about. Because this is what we are made into. Just 4 or 5 people, maybe a few hundred people in the parliament taking decisions without even consulting us, without even listening to us. That is the dilemma of this nation, not this what
are you done? Okay. Is there a question now? Ji.
Excuse me.
So my question is for Leila. You talked about the right for any country to take up arms and a group of people who are being targeted to take up arms to defend themselves. Hezbollah is a group which has been classified as a terrorist organization by many democracies around the world. My question is about how Muslim nations can effectively call out Israel's actions without being cancelled for supporting an organization which is being classified as terrorist.
One more question. Anya.
Miss Leila, you have labeled proxy war between Iran and Israel as a crusade. Please, this is not a religious war between Muslim state and non-Muslim state. Please explain your stance.
उनको दे दें, उनको दे दें.
Hi. I just wanted to ask a question about Trump's foreign policy, specifically his remarks in terms of calling Trudeau a governor, calling Canada the 51st state, specifically speaking about Greenland and wanting Greenland, recently talking about the Panama Canal. My only question here is, what is Trump's bet now? What's his best alternative negotiated agreement here in terms of his wider geopolitical goal?
Okay, I'll take the presumption of answering your question myself. I gave my, in my introduction, I told you that he uses the bully pulpit. Pushes, goes into, sometimes it works. He tried to do it with North Korea also, it didn't work. It worked with South Korea. He renegotiated Chorus. He renegotiated NAFTA, which was renamed as the US-Mexico-Canada. The question with reference to Trudeau was a couple of days ago, he was on CNN. He was in DC to attend President Carter's funeral. And he was asked specifically these questions. And one of the things that he said is that we in Canada differentiate from the Americans by saying that we are not Americans and we are Canadians. So he's basically using this. Greenland, by the way, is a different issue altogether. It's a strategic issue. We